welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make simple fan ads on Android or any device. But before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. But really, before we get into the video, I just want to talk about why I haven't been posting. School has been in the way and I haven't really been motivated to post until now. So vlogs, I won't be doing vlogs until I say I want to do vlogs again. So don't be expecting vlogs, but do expect maybe some videos. So yeah guys, let's get right into it. So yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some cool ads. I mean some ads for beginners on KineMaster, I think. Unleash your creativity. It is free to download, so no payment required. And I will be showing you how to make these ads. So you guys, as you can see, these are all my ads, and I'll be showing you some of them on with the ones I have made. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and show you guys the ads. Okay guys, so those are my ads, and yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to make those ads, and I'll see you guys back at the editing app. Okay guys, so now let's get into making the ad itself. So you have to download this app called KineMaster. It's right on the screen. So make sure to download the app. It's completely free. You will need no payment for anything you're going to see right now. So you're going to go ahead and press the little orange button in the middle. Once you press it, it's going to take you to Studio. So the first thing you want to do is press Media and select the background. You can make a background technically anything, picture, but the most simple is just color background. So I'm going to go ahead and just add black because that's the one I always use. It's just simple. And then once you have your background, which is just simple like that, you're going to go ahead and press Audio. So yeah guys, and right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to get audio. Actually, I can't really, but I'll just tell you guys. So you guys can have a screen recorder like so, like if you have an iPhone screen recorder or any screen record a sound you want. Like on Instagram, you can go to any ad you want that has a good sound you want to use, record a video, and it's gonna show the screen. Then you're gonna download an app called MP3 Player Video to Audio, and you download the app, and the app is gonna make the video into an audio. Or you can just download any audio you like, but I like doing that. So I have this audio right here that I recorded.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the place. I get chips, I ask for.
But of course I can trim it in the app. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that audio so you know the beginning part, it was me like trying and struggling. Let me see. Okay, this is hard. I'm trying. Okay guys, so once you have that cropped, you're just gonna have it like this.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the place. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and wait. like your hot and tight.
And once you have that, you're just gonna go ahead and make the background as long as you wanna make the audio, as long as the background. And then once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and download any pictures of the person you'll want to make an edit of. I chose Selena Gomez just as an example, but yeah, I didn't know who to do it on, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and press layer, and we're gonna press image. You're gonna press image, and you have all these images I downloaded of Selena. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this image. I like it, and of course I screenshotted it because I'm too lazy to download. So I'm just gonna crop it right here. Go ahead and crop it right there. Once you have it cropped, it should look like so. And you have your picture. And as you can see on the bottom part right here, see this bottom part? I'm gonna try to make it shorter. Like I would recommend this long or shorter, but don't make it extremely short. So then you're gonna go ahead and do animations. So animations are really simple to do. All you have to do is press this, you know, the circles right here and the buttons you see right here that I'm pressing, as you can see, the buttons in the middle. So the first button right here is that is the in animation. So as you can see, you can make the animation, you can make it like entrance, like so. So I'll just start with it entrancing with a pop, like so. And then then you press it on it again. You're gonna press the middle button this time right here, and you can pick what you want it to be as an overall animation. So you can just choose floating, that is the most, or squishing, drifting, and for special occasions, ring. But I'm gonna use drifting for now. And once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and press the out animation. So this is the animation you want it to go, and this is how you do your transitions. So let's say I want it to end on a spin. I'm just gonna press spin, and it should look like this at the start.
But I never leave a trace.
So then you're gonna line up with your neck. You're gonna go ahead right. You can do the next. I'm gonna try to make it go with the audio, so you wanna always do that.
But I never leave a trace.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the other photo. Okay guys, now that I have the other photo, I'm gonna go ahead and press the in animation once again. Press spin. So like while the other one is spinning, this entrance is like it did a transition. Then you're gonna do the overall one. I'm gonna make the overall one, just gonna make it squishing. Squishing is right. Okay, so then we're gonna do the out animation, scale down. So this is gonna do another transition. So scale down is gonna go like so. So as you can see, this is our transition. So I'm gonna make this a little longer. And then once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and do that with the next photo. Line it up. And then once again, do the entrance, scale up, which will make it look like it just transitioned. I'm gonna adjust it from the bottom as long as you want. You're gonna do that. Then you're gonna go ahead and do the overall transition. For this, I'll do the ring, just for fun. And then for the ring, I like to make it go snap close, which is right here. Like so. And it should look like so.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the place. I get chips like aspirate.
It's normally not that glitchy. I don't know what happened,
But
but
I never leave
yeah.
a trace. Faces pretty as the place. I get chips like aspirate.
So yeah, and then you're gonna keep doing that with all your transitions, and then I will show you guys the ending effect of the whole video. Okay guys, so right after you're done with all your transitions, your video is should be looking something like this.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the face. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he's done, I feel like you're hard to tie, you're hard to tie.
So of course you want to add your brand name so nobody steals your ad. So how you're gonna do that is you're gonna once again press layer. You're gonna go ahead and press text. You're gonna put your logo. Mine is Andrea _ ed 202. Be free to follow my edit account on Instagram. And once you have that ready, gonna make it maybe on the bottom. I like doing that, and make the opacity a little lower so it does not disturb the viewer. And then you're gonna put it right there, and that should be good enough. And if you want to change the font, you can always do that. You can change it to this if you want. I don't know how that looks, but I'll put it right there if you guys want. And nobody could steal your ad with a watermark you have. And then you can you have to make the text as long as the video so it does not go away, so people can't crop the video and get rid of your watermark.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the face. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he's done, I feel like you're hard to tie, you're hard to tie.
So, and also you guys like effects, so you can always add effects to whatever picture you want. So you're gonna press effects, and it comes with a bunch effects. So it comes with this effect, which is pretty cool. Let's say I want to add it to the first picture. I'll just do this, and it should be.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as
and then you can add it to the pictures, and this should be your final result. And this should be your final result.
But I never leave a trace. Faces pretty as the face. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he's done, I feel like you're hard to tie, you're hard to tie.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I post a video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!